So yeah, game plan really is OG, old school, vintage look. This is what I want to do. Dude, how long have you been riding ATCs, dude?
That 70 was the first thing I've ever ridden in my life. And the first time I rode it, I went right up a fucking tree. That one was like this, huh?
Yeah, you've...
Hey, dude, you know what? I'm gonna need you to help me pull something out on the back really quick, dude.
That's good.
I have a project car I've been meaning to pull out.
All right, let's go pull it out.
Here she sits in all her glory. Hey, Todd.
Yo, I heard you need a lift.
I do, dude. You think you can help me get that my bug out?
Got the 185 to do the work.
What you think, dude?
Let's do it.
We'll yank it out.
Let's just yank it. 2JZ, dude. Pop the hood.
Pop the hood. 2JZ engine, no shit.
Look at that.
Very rare.
Is it coolant?
Put some antifreeze in it.
Well, there we go.
Jump in.
Yeah, Carlos. We got Carlos.
Color.
How do you think that'll buff out?
It'll buff out beautiful.
Got some OG seats in here, Todd?
I don't know. I think it looks like they could be original. The door panels look original. Old school Hershey chocolate syrup can. Don't do that no more. It's all plastic shit. This is very rare from vintage V-Dub. Bruce. Nothing but the best from Bruce.
So yeah, game plan really is OG, old school, vintage look. Something that Bruce has been doing is throwing in a bus transmission with reduction boxes. We'll raise it up a little bit, and then as far as the whole body and fenders, I want it to look all OG, straight from the past. It's a 70s, 80s look. So really, to get a good game plan together for this, something realistic, and to really get a nice itemized list of what I need, I think I'm gonna have to go get some help from Bruce over at Vintage V-Dubs, and luckily VW legend Chip Dog, who is also my dad, has been working there the last couple months. So I'm gonna load this thing up on a trailer and head down to Vintage V-Dubs and get some good constructive criticism and get some good direction for the project.
Which one to listen to?
You want a Bluetooth?
Yeah, here.
What the?
It's a Bluetooth stereo.
State of the art, Bluetooth. How's it going, Bruce?
Now I know why you're here.
This is it. What do you think? Good starter car?
Great starter car. You're gonna make it like Rachel's Baja in there?
That's the goal, dude. Hey, Dad.
Hello. You got real Porsche wheels on there, buddy.
Really? I needed to come by Vintage to get some good input from you guys. So
I'm gonna keep it old school for sure. It's original Turkish.
what do you think, Dad? Overall?
And keep it old school.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I kept all the glass.
This 63, but
You got it.
you got the push
No,
button
that's
instead
right.
of lever.
I made hers.
Is that a 63?
Push button, yeah.
Is that a 5-speed in there?
You can't say it's a 58 or 59 because it would have ice pick door handles.
So what other features put it apart being a 63?
The easiest thing is the grab handle and the color.
So last year the Ragtop
So 63 is this Turkish is only a 63 color?
I think it came in 63 only, but the other
also,
the other thing is the handle is gonna be a flip handle. It's gonna say Globe on it, but it's gonna flip. I don't know where it's at.
And this was last year for the Rag, huh?
Mm-hmm.
sliding rag, 64 sunroof. Yeah, rip it all apart, get all the wiring out of there. Get these fenders off, clean it inside out. Just strip it. I'd leave the glass. I'd leave this glass with the chrome in it.
Yeah.
Even that broken windshield's kind of cool. And it's got the chrome trim.
You and Rachel have some really cool Baja bugs. So you have one here I could check out, get some inspo?
Yeah, your dad's working on it right now.
Oh, really? Perfect. Huge.
Hey, Bruce.
New shop, huh?
Yeah,
How are you liking it?
I like it a lot.
You need this room. This is good.
Yeah, a lot for activities. We got break dancing over here. Yeah, a lot of activities. Here's our single cab we're doing with an ARM in it. We're trying to get Donnie to put that in a bus and jump it. Trying. I want to see how it looks. Yeah, but this is the new shop. We're just moving in right now. We got the CNC machine. We got a Baja.
Oh, this is it. This is what I wanted to come here
Yeah.
for, mainly.
So this one has a 7-degree rake on the tranny, so the tilt of the tranny is raised. We flip the luggage section. We did this big, you can see the tranny raise.
Yeah.
So we raised the front stock and then we raise it 7 degrees, which is like 1.5 inches back here.
What benefit does that give it?
The clearance for the ground.
Clearance. Yeah.
And then, so it tilted it, but when it tilted it, it put it back here. So we just cut the firewall and then flipped it.
Yeah.
And
that's a
then
good
you
trick.
can see where we did it. But we just cut it and flipped it and just, put it in there.
And then you can reach your clutch cable.
Oh, it's so
Reach
nice.
everything.
You can reach everything. This is for the oil cooler. Both my Bajas have it. I recommend it because it gives you so much room. You can mess with everything back here. And it looks stock. It has 1 inch longer arms, but not wider. Rhino case trans, like class 11 build basically. And then we put stiffeners down here. Just like a thing trans or a thing rear end. And then yeah, using type 3 brakes. It's on a late chassis. We put it on a ball joint chassis, so it has a thing front end on it to give it that height.
Yeah.
And then this one has semaphores, has hand bank.
Oh, these are the ones you made?
Yeah. Inside is all original paint and stuff. The guy that wrote that off-road book, the Barefoot Drivers, this is his old car.
Okay.
The body is, and it came from Daniel Artigas. But it's on original Sprint Stars.
So this is pretty much, this is what I want to do. You know, it's very similar to this.
This one.
This whole look and stance.
And then this is the one I like, because I like the early headlights.
Okay.
I put 2 kits on it, so that way she has 4 headlights. But the early kit, and I'm using Porsche lenses.
Okay.
But yeah, it's a cool car,
Yeah.
for sure. Original MP steering wheel, like all the goodies on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the little showroom that we're just setting up. Can you come on, take a look upstairs real quick? This is our little print shop. I had a no hop kit in my blue one forever.
Yeah.
It was my best thing I ever did.
Really?
The no hop. I loved it. It gave it height, just like Rachel's car.
Yeah.
And then on mine, I put lifted spindles. The other thing that you're going to want to watch out is the gear ratio. I don't know what you're putting in it for a motor, but the gear ratio is going to be big. Because Donnie's running 1914s, and he's running like a 24-inch outside amber tire. You're going to probably run like your dad's like all about the 29s, I think it is.
Yeah.
That weird size. That's a 29-inch all tire. So like right now, me and him were having a conversation about Rachel's Baja. I have a 412 ring pinion. We're probably gonna put a 437 in it. So you want to try to figure that out. But when you do the no hop kit, on mine, I didn't reinforce the torsion housing. So that this tube right here, I didn't reinforce it, and then we went Baja-ing, like right after one of those slow ride parties. We went out in the field, and then it just ripped a chunk of that out. And it just ripped it all. Mine, you'll see like it's all reinforced, and that's because it ripped the no hop kit right out of it.
Oh no.
Because I was going through the whoops, treating it like, you know, yeah. And I literally
Roxanne.
watched the whole rear end just rip out. Oh, everyone behind me just got the motor and the trans laying out in the dirt.
No way.
Yeah.
So it just literally ripped.
It just ripped it
your
all.
whole
Yeah, because
torsion
the
housing.
whole thing is based off of the links that go up.
Yeah.
So, and that piece of metal in there isn't thick. So it's not even, it's like 120 wall. It's like this thick. This is how thick it is. So when you weld to it, I didn't think nothing about it. I was like, oh, it's like, I assumed it was like thick. I've off-roaded before. The second we were going through it, just ripped it all a new one.
No way.
I did IRS conversion because I was like, fuck it, we're there. We had the body off. I was like, I'm over it. Yeah.
So be wary of that. Reinforce.
Yeah, we
housing.
just took black pipe and welded on mine and then reinforced it.
For the front end, link pin gets a little more travel, no? From what I've read. I'm still very new to this.
Yeah, but the problem is it doesn't matter how much your front end gets if your rear end's not getting it.
Okay.
So I have a King and Link, but the problem is going to be like if you're going to go longer arms, it's going to push your wheels back, so forth. I run on mine a lifted spindle, and to give me the height to match the rear end. So I would say I was most happy with the stock width beam and then the reduction box. I was more than happy with it.
All right, we made it back from Vintage V-Dubs. Bruce, thank you so much for your time and energy. You're helping me out a ton with this build, with all of your pointers, the Bajas you already have built that I can look at and get inspiration from. Your knowledge is invaluable to me. And also you have all the parts and things I will need along the way. So Bruce, we'll keep in touch. Next thing, I'm gonna pull the Baja in here, get it all clean, stripped out from all the dirt and debris. And we actually have a local high school that's gonna come by and help us take the body off the pan. So it's gonna be a great learning experience for them. Donnie's gonna teach them how to do it. After that's done, we're gonna go ahead and inspect the pan and go from there. Stay tuned.